Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in your Nissan Altima. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to shield yourself from potential chemical exposure. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is completely off. Identifying the low-pressure service port is your first crucial step for a successful recharge. Now, let's connect the AC recharge kit. Take the Quick Connect fitting on your refrigerant hose and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port you just located. Listen for a click to confirm a secure connection, preventing any refrigerant from escaping. Once connected, observe the pressure gauge on the kit. This will give you an initial reading of your AC system's current charge. With the kit connected, start your engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Begin adding the refrigerant by squeezing the can's trigger for about 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Release the trigger and check the pressure gauge. Continue this process, adding refrigerant in short bursts until the gauge reads within the recommended pressure range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the pressure is correct, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Now, test your Nissan Altima's air conditioning to confirm that cold air is flowing strongly from the vents. If the AC performance doesn't improve, or if you notice any unusual noises, it's wise to consult a professional technician. Remember, overcharging your AC system can cause more harm than good, so always follow the gauge readings carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.